Hello, my name is Ryan Richter, and I'm going to show you how to use the California State University Virtual Computer Lab, also known as VCL. The first thing we'll need to do is go to the VCL homepage. So I'm going to type in the address here. It's http://vcl.calstate.edu. Here we have the VCL homepage. Because this resource is shared by many different campuses in the CSU, we'll need to pick our specific campus. I just happen to be at CSU Chico, which comes first alphabetically in the list of campuses. So I actually just need to click Proceed to log in. Okay, now we're on the CSU Chico login screen, so I'll just log in with my username and password and click on the login button. Now we're actually in the VCL. You have several options on the left navigation bar, but you'll probably be most interested in creating a new or current reservation, as that's how you actually get access to your software. Let's go ahead and make a new reservation now. Okay, let's make a reservation to get some work done in SPSS. The first thing I'll need to do is select SPSS from the drop-down menu of virtual environments. It happens to be the only virtual environment I have access to here. The next thing I need to do is choose when I want my reservation for. I can either choose to make my reservation for now. Please note that if you do choose now, you'll have to wait anywhere between 1 and 15 minutes for the virtual computer to be created on the fly. Or I can choose later if I want to be guaranteed immediate access at a certain time. So for example, if I know I'm going to be doing homework Sunday at, let's say, 7 o'clock p.m., and I think that homework is going to take me about 2 hours to complete, I can create that reservation and I'll be guaranteed virtual computer access immediately at 7 o'clock p.m. this Sunday. Please note, whether I choose now or later, once the virtual computer is created, if I don't log in within 15 minutes, that reservation will be canceled and I'll have to create another new reservation to use the VCL. All that said, let's go ahead and create a new reservation for now. Okay, so since I chose now, I have to wait about a minute for the virtual computer to be created on the fly. We've got some other options here on the current reservation page. I can delete my reservation if I decide I don't actually need it, or I can go in and edit my reservation. The main thing you can do here is extend your reservation duration. If I still have a little bit more work to do, but I'm coming up against the end of my reservation time, we'll cancel that. I can also see, just to confirm, what my environment is. I can see when my reservation is due to start and when my reservation is going to end. This end time is very important because once we hit that time, I'll automatically be logged out of the virtual computer and my reservation will be over. The page was automatically refreshed, and we can see now that the Connect button has appeared in place of where we used to have a timer. Let's go ahead and click on Connect to get access to our virtual computer now. So once we click Connect, we're given the details for connecting to our virtual computer. You can either write these details down by hand, but I recommend just clicking the Get RDP file, which has everything configured for us automatically. So now that I've downloaded this RDP shortcut file, I can click Open. And I'll just click through some security warnings here. And now I'm actually connected to a virtual computer in the VCL. So you'll notice on the VCL reservation page I was given a special password. This is a unique password just for this session, and it's going to be different every time you make a new reservation, so take special note. I'm going to type in the password and click OK. I'm going to maximize the virtual computer window so I can see the whole virtual screen. And at this point, it's just like I'm logging into a real computer, except it's a virtual computer somewhere out in the internet. Okay, from here I can just launch my application, in this case SPSS. And I can start doing my homework now. I want to draw special attention to the opening and saving of files in the virtual computer. Because this is a virtual computer, I'm also interacting with a virtual file system. This file system isn't actually on my computer. So if I were to do some homework and save that to my documents and then log off, because that my documents actually exists on a virtual computer, it would be destroyed when I logged off. So I need to take special care when I want to save my work. Instead of saving to the local My Documents, I want to scroll down and look at these network drives. You'll find these network drives have familiar names because they are actually your local network drives, or excuse me, your local hard drives mapped as network drives on the virtual computer. So if I select C, this network drive, I can actually save things to my real local hard drive. And this is how we recommend you save your work from the virtual computer. The same goes for opening files. If I were to try and open a data set from My Documents, this is just the My Documents out on the temporary virtual computer. If I had a data set on my C drive, I'd want to open it from the mapped network drive here. Another option you have is if you have work that you need to get access to from a web browser, such as from your Blackboard Vista online course, you can use the web browsers that are available on the virtual computer themselves. Get that work off the web page, download it to the temporary virtual computer hard drive, work from it from there, and then upload it back, turn it in, the assignment in on your Blackboard Vista course. Whatever you do, just remember, I'll say this one more time, do not log out of the VCL with your work only saved to the VCL's temporary virtual hard drive. Your work will be destroyed. That's about it for the VCL. Once you're done with your work, you'll want to log out of the VCL by clicking on the Start menu and going to Log Off. I am now disconnected from my virtual computer. At this point, it's just good housekeeping to go to your Current Reservations tab and click End, because I don't need my reservation anymore. If I forget to end my reservation, that's okay. It'll automatically end once I reach the end of my reservation time. To log out of the VCL, you just need to go and click Log Out on the left navigation bar. Please note that these instructions are also available in a written format as a link from your Blackboard Vista course. So if you have any other questions, you can refer to that document. If you have any trouble using the VCL after listening to this guide and reading the written document, please talk to your instructor. Thank you for watching this video guide, and we hope you enjoy using the VCL.